hometown was once known as Yilan Zhuangwei. People back then wanted to honor the man who helped reclaim the Lanyang Plain. So the land was divided into Zhuang 1 through Zhuang 7 as reward. Today, all 7 parcels of land are collectively known as Zhuangwei. So stepping into the seaside, the naturally formed sand dune landscape reflects the hard work of our ancestors as they cultivated life in such a challenging environment. Zhuangwei is at the Lanyang River's mouth, close to the sea. It can be tough in the winter. Early settlers might have seen this as a dangerous environment to be in, but because of the unique environment, the crops here are distinctive and special. Hi, Mr. Guan.
Hi, hello.
Well, is there anything I can do to help?
Of course, we're in an area that focuses on cantaloupe cultivation.
Wow, look at those cantaloupes.
These are called Camila. It's a variety of cantaloupe from Xinjiang.
Ooh, I see.
It's not ripe yet.
How can you tell?
Its lines in color haven't changed yet.
Well, is it green or orange inside?
Orange and crunchy.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
Oh, I had no idea that cantaloupes were grown like this.
It's grown in an elevated position with one plant per spot. Leaves in between have to be trimmed, and there are times when you have to thin out the fruit, which is a common practice, so it's better to just have one.
Or else it'll be too heavy and it would fall off, right?
Yeah, but the vines won't break off since it is used to support the weight. Just like humans, we become stronger when under pressure.
Is that so?
Sure is. Can you pick one?
That one?
Yes, this one.
This one. Wow. Whoa, look at the lines. They're different. So is the color.
That one was dark green. This one is now light green, even a bit yellowish.
That's right.
So it's ready to be picked.
Wow, so is it the same as the watermelons? Like you tap and listen?
No, you can't.
Why not?
Because cantaloupe is crunchy on the inside. Doing so won't do any good to the flesh.
So its water content is different from that of a watermelon?
That's why you can't slap or tap it.
So how do I cut this one?
You can start to cut it from here.
From this side?
Yeah, and then hold it with one hand.
And use the other hand to cut it?
Yes, to cut it.
Okay. You can tell I'm a newbie. Is this like this?
Yes, right.
Oh.
There you
like
go.
This.
Just pull this hook out.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yes, that's more or less 4 pounds.
Whoa.
If you sell it like online, some people will sell it for 150.
Whoa. I heard the cantaloupes here are really yummy.
That's because Xinan is near the sea. It's a sandy area and close to the sea, there's a bigger difference in temperature.
Oh, and so that's the very reason why cantaloupes here are yummy?
Exactly, and due to the different temperature.
And it's the first time I've seen cantaloupes being cultivated this way.
That's why we usually pick and leave one behind. Just one.
Oh, well, I'm really looking forward to it. I love to have a piece. Would that be okay?
Yeah, you could try it later.
Who would have thought that in such an environment, the Pacific Ocean currents would create significant temperature difference between day and night? The sandy soil creates the perfect conditions for growing cantaloupes, resulting in the sweetest and most flavorful melons. Mwah! And this is why Zhuangwei is known as the hometown of cantaloupe. Now that we're in this place, famous for its high-quality cantaloupes, trying them is a must. Whoa! These look seriously yummy. I noticed that the colors are different.
This one is Xinjiang cantaloupe.
Xinjiang cantaloupe.
That's right.
So that's why it's lighter in color?
This one has a more refreshing taste. It's not too sweet.
I see.
And the other one is sweeter.
So this is the one we just picked? Which one should we try first?
Go with that one first.
All right. Okay. It's the cantaloupe. Hey, would you want some?
Yeah, thank you.
Time to enjoy these. Cheers! Mmm. It's crunchy.
Yes. This kind is meant to be crunchy.
No wonder cantaloupes here are something else.
Yeah. This is the only place in Taiwan that has this kind of cantaloupe. We have a lot of these here.
Why is this called Xinjiang cantaloupe?
Because it's basically a variety of the one from Xinjiang.
Oh, so it's the one we picked just now. Wow, picking it yourself makes everything
Definitely.
taste all the sweeter. Okay, cheers. Wow, crunchy.
You're right.
True.
And it will taste even better after a couple of days.
I traveled a lot. I think this is the best cantaloupe I've ever had.
Thank you.
It's super crunchy, super sweet. And it's so juicy, not dry at all. Take another one.
Eat as much as you want.
Really?
Yeah, it's only produced once a year.
Only once a year?
And leaving just one from each plant.
Wow. I realized that there are a lot behind us. Are these watermelons or cantaloupes?
Yes, different kinds. Besides cantaloupe, there's watermelon, pumpkin, and wintermelon. We harvest all those. It's because of the sand.
Whoa, I never thought a place like Zhuangwei could produce such amazing fruits.
Because we're near the sea and close to the Lanyang River, the whole area is a sandy creek.
Oh, so which makes it really unique. Due to its unique environment and climate, cantaloupe from Zhuangwei Township has become the most popular summer fruit. But it's not just cantaloupes. Zhuangwei has become a paradise for all kinds of fruits. I can see how people are making the most of the precious resources given to them by nature to create yet another miracle in Taiwan. After you tasted the best cantaloupe, let's take a look at how it's transformed into a specialty dish, showcasing the perfect journey from farm to table. Hey, Rebecca.
Hi. Nice meeting you.
Hi, my pleasure. Are you making a cantaloupe dish of some sort?
That's right, but there's something we gotta do first to actually make that dish. And that's to turn it into pickled cantaloupe that we can place on the cantaloupe dish.
Is this cantaloupe?
It is. This is the cantaloupe that we have made into a semi-finished product. And for that, we have to use unripe ones that are a bit smaller so we can turn it into pickled cantaloupe.
It doesn't look the usual.
Fresh cantaloupes. So what we'll do later is to basically pickle the rind.
Can I help you with that?
Well, of course. Take the lid off.
Okay.
When doing this, it would be better if the customer were to add 2 spoons of rice malt and 2 slices of cantaloupe, then enough to fill it up to about 80% full.
So why do you use unripe cantaloupes?
Well, if you use unripe ones to make pickled cantaloupe, it won't become too soft when we cook it.
Oh, mushy. So it will still be crunchy.
You can still taste the actual texture.
Oh, so what can you eat with it? Like, what goes well with it? Or what kind of recipe?
Well, you can't just eat it as is.
I see.
It needs to be steamed or cooked in soup or put into the dish we're making later.
So then it's more of a seasoning. Okay. Making a DIY pickled cantaloupe can be a pretty fun experience. Seeing the pickled cantaloupe made me want to have a bowl of congee to go with it. But Rebecca said that it is meant to be cooked with something. I'm dying to see how cantaloupe can be used in different dishes. Today, we will find out. Are all these made using cantaloupes?
Yes, they are. Some are made with pickled cantaloupes and some with fresh ones.
Whoa, so which one do you think we should start with?
Well, I'd say the pumpkin rice noodles and some of that minced pork with pickles.
Great. So the one on top is pumpkin?
Yeah, then add some of this.
Oh, it looks appetizing.
Oh, go ahead and give it a try.
Whoa. Look, the color is exactly like the bright orange you see inside a cantaloupe.
Well, smell it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Have a taste. Let me get some for you, too.
It's kind of like braised minced pork.
It's like the braised pork rice sold everywhere. The only difference is we use pickled cantaloupe with the pork. Oh. Whoa.
It has that fruity scent, right?
It does.
Slightly musky scent of a cantaloupe.
Yes, it smells kind of sweet. A little bit,
Yes, yes.
not too much. Time to dig in?
Bon appetit.
So how is it? Is it any different from the common braised pork rice? It's better.
Not greasy.
True, not at all. And the meat is not too fatty. So, you keep taking one bite after another.
It's good with rice noodles. Same with plain rice.
So this is also made from cantaloupe? Yeah, fresh ones. Then stir fry it with mushroom.
ว่าจากความหมาย
Ho.
ho
Do you speak Taiwanese too?
Just a bit.
A little bit.
It's not mushy at all. Right. But it's cooked. Definitely. Oh, amazing. The cantaloupe here is like the one you just made. Not quite ripe yet. The cantaloupe we fry can't be too ripe either. If it's overripe and it heats up while frying, it'll turn mushy. It has to be just enough so it stays crunchy while fried. And that's when you really taste the sweetness. Right. It's salted to preserve its freshness, which is why the cantaloupe can't be too ripe. Oh. So if it is, it won't have the same texture. It'll get mushy when cooked. Oh yeah, so soft that you won't even be able to tell it's cantaloupe. Oh, and this one is?
Chicken soup with cantaloupe. The cantaloupe we used here is the one we've pickled.
Oh, you can see it in the soup. Oh, this one. The pickled cantaloupe. Like the one I just DIY'd? Yep, this is what we use for the soup.
Different flavor, huh?
It's different. I mean, the taste, I don't know how to explain it. It's chewy. Yeah, chewy and just delicious. Wow, it's so good.